my name's Leslie and this is a short tutorial on how to do the minuet step for Regency dancing. One of the best known dancing masters was Pierre Rameau, not the composer, who wrote a book explaining how to dance the minuet, from which my description is taken. The Dancing Master 1725, translated into English by Cyril Beaumont in 1931, explains 4 different ways of doing the minuet step. Well, I'm going to just show you one right now. So to start practicing, we always start the minuet on the right foot, and it always takes 2 bars of the music. To start with, you can just step on the right foot and sink with the left foot slightly in the air, 2 steps forward and step again on the left. So the counting for that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that one again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you'll notice that the minuet always starts on the right foot, and it steps. You do a little plie and then steps on the ball of the right foot. 1, sink, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And going backwards, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can take that round in a circle if you want to. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some people would do it on the flat, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we don't want to do that. We want to be light and airy and on a tradition of the minuet step. So for the final time, minuet always starts on the right foot no matter where you are or in what direction you're going for this particular Regency step. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. That's the Regency minuet step. Enjoy.